Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Shopify card reader. First, let's get started with the initial setup. Begin by unboxing your new card reader and ensuring all components, like the USB-C charging cable, are present. Next, fully charge the device for approximately 4 hours using the provided cable. While it's charging, download the Shopify point-of-sale application onto your compatible iOS or Android smartphone or tablet. Once installed, simply log in using your existing Shopify account credentials to prepare for the next steps. Now that your reader is charged and the app is ready, let's connect them. First, turn on your card reader by pressing and holding the power button for about 3 seconds until you see an indicator light. Then, open the Shopify point-of-sale application on your device. From the main menu, tap on Settings, then Set up Hardware, and finally select Card Reader. Your device will scan for available readers. Simply choose yours from the list to establish a secure Bluetooth connection. With your reader connected, you're ready to process sales. When a customer is ready to pay, add their chosen products to the cart in your Shopify point-of-sale application. Once the cart is complete, tap the Checkout button. You'll then select Card as the payment option. Instruct your customer to either tap their card for contactless payment, insert it for chip reading, or swipe it through the magnetic stripe reader. Confirm the amount and complete the transaction smoothly. To ensure a smooth experience, here are some helpful tips. Always keep your card reader fully charged. A full charge typically lasts for many hours of continuous use. Regularly update your Shopify point-of-sale application to access the latest features and improvements. If you experience connection issues, double-check your device's Bluetooth settings to ensure the reader is still paired. For any complex technical challenges, remember that Shopify's dedicated support team is always available to assist you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.